Welcome everyone. This is the fifth episode of Amrita Sinchana, an offering by the students and faculty members of BMS Institute of Technology and Management, Bangalore, on the occasion of 75th year of India's independence. As part of this series, today we have Ms. Swati AM. She will be giving a lecture demonstration on the concert, Carnatic classical concert. As part of that, a small portion of that is called as Varnams. So she will be talking about it in today's series. So we have planned a series of lecture demonstrations under this title. Before we begin with the Swati's program, I would like to give a brief introduction of our today's artist. Swati AM is in the second semester of Electronics and Communication Department at BMS IT. She has completed her junior and senior Carnatic vocal music from Karnataka government. Now she is under the tutelage of Vidushi Ashwini Satish. She is preparing for her Vidwat examination. Previously, she has been a state rank holder in the earlier exams. She is also the participant and the finalist at Edetumbi Haduvenu and other music reality shows. Today, as I already mentioned, she will be giving a demonstration on the Varnams. I welcome Swati. And also, I welcome my colleagues at BMS IT and all the other participants over here. And I hope that we will all benefit from this demonstration.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, over to Swati.
Thank you, sir. Good evening to everybody present here. I'll be giving a lecture demonstration on a classical musical composition called the Varnas. Um, to start off, what is a Varna? A Varna is basically a type of musical composition in Carnatic classical music, which brings out the nuances of the raga that it is composed in. It comprises of short metric pieces, and varnams are a fundamental part of the recital. Normally, a varna consists of lyrics, swara passages such as the pallavi, anupallavi, muktaya swara, charana, and chitte swara. As we speak of the pallavi, anupallavi, and charana, let us look into the structure of the varna. Also, I'll be singing and demonstrating a varna part by part as we keep on learning about the structure. Um, a Varna is basically a composition played or sung at the commencement of a concert. In a normal classical concert, Carnatic classical concert, the Varna is usually sung in the beginning. The tempo is usually Madhyama Kalam. Madhyama Kalam as in the neutral speed, the normal, it's not too fast or it's not too slow. It is the neutral Madhyama Kalam. The Pallavi and Anupallavi consist of very few Sahityam syllables with profuse vowel extensions. In the second half of the Varnam, the Ettugade Pallavi consists of the Sahityam syllables. Ettugade Pallavi is basically a part of the Charana. That is where the Charana of the composition begins. The remaining portions comprise of the Swara passages. So let's just begin. I'll sing the Pallavi and Anupallavi of Varna in the Raga Mohana, and you will know how the Pallavi and Anupallavi goes. सरि स ग रि ग सरि सद सरि ग रि ग प द प ग प द सरि ग रि ग सरि द स प द सरि ग ಸ ದ ಪ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ನಿನ್ನು ಕೋರಿಯು ನಾನು ರಾಣಿ ಲಾಲೋಕನಾಯಕ ನನ್ನು ಪಾಲಿಂಪ ಸಮಯ ಮೀದೇನಾ ಮೀದ ಕೃಪಜು डारा गरि गरि सरि सरि स गरि ग सरि स सरि गरि ग प द प द सरि गरि ग सरि द स प द सरि ग स द प गरि सरि निन्नु कोरि. So basically this was the Pallavi and Anupallavi of the Tanavarna, the Adi Tala Tanavarna. This is basically a small basic Tanavarna set in Mohana Raga, and this was the Pallavi, Anupallavi, and the Chitteswara. So you might have noticed that in these compositions there are two parts. So this was what I sang now, that was the first part, and there is a second part. So the first part consists predominantly of Sahityam. The second part consists of Swara Kalpanas. They are both mutually exclusive. Once the first section is over, we are completely done with it. It is like putting two different compositions together, one which is the Sahityam oriented and the other which is the Swaras oriented. The Pallavi of a Varna usually consists of two avartas. Avartas is basically the Tala. So one whole Tala complete is called one avarta. So the Pallavi consists of two avartas followed by the Anupallavi of equal length, two avartas. The third section is the Upapallavi, which is optional. Some Varnas might have it or might not have it. I'll quickly sing the Charana of the same Varna now. Sanmutangashi Nivasa Sanmutangashi Nivasa Gari Sari Gari Sanmutangashi Nivasa Gari Sari Sari Gari Sanmutangashi Nivasa Gari Gari Sari Ga Pada Sa Sari Ga Ga Da Pa Gari Ga Ga Sa Da Pa Gari Sanmutangashi Nivasa Gari Gari Sari Ga Ga Pada Sa Sari Ga Ga Da Pa Gari Ga Ga Sa Da Pa Gari Sanmutangashi Nivasa Pada Da Pa Gari Sari Gari Sada Sari Ga Pada Sa Sa Da Pa Gari Sanmutangashi Nivasa Sanmutangashi Nivasa Pada Da Pa Gari Sari Gari Sada Sari Ga Pada Sa Sa Da Pa Gari Pada Da Pa Gari Sari Gari Sada Sari Ga Pada Sa Sa Da Pa Gari Sanmutangashi ni va sa sari gari sari sada sada pa gari sari sa sari ga ga pa pa da da sari gari gari da sari sari sa pa da sada sada ga pa da pa ri sada pa gari sari सन्मुक्तांगा श्री निवासा सन्मुक्तांगा श्री निवासा सरि गरि सरि सदा सदा पगरि सरि सा सरि ग ग प प द द सरि गरि गरि द सरि सरि स प द स द ग प द परि सदा पगरि सरि सन तांगा श्री निवासा सन्मुक्तांगा श्री That was the Mohana complete Tanavarna until the Charana.
Swati?
Yes, sir.
Your video seems to be turned off. Maybe bandwidth is low, I think. That's the reason.
I think so, sir. I think my video is turned on over here.
Turned on, no? Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
That's it. Yeah. Okay, please continue.
Sir. Okay, sir. So as we saw, the theme of the text could either be devotional or Shringara or in the praise of a patron. The Varnas were basically a realization of the musical structure of a raga. For example, there's a Varna called Inta Chalamu in the raga Begade that starts in the Madhyasthai, the middle octave, and then it goes all the way to the higher octave called the Tarasthai and then comes back. When the Upapallavi is over, the Varna is musically complete. As you saw, as the Charana and the Upapallavi got over, that was the end of the Charana and the Tana Varna. Now, since we're familiar with the basic structure of a Varna, I'll be presenting a very special type of Varna called the Ragamalika Varna. As the name speaks for itself, the Ragamalika is a mala of ragas. That is, it comprises of a number of ragas. So like we saw, the previous Varna was made of a single raga called the Mohana Raga. But this Ragamalika Varna will be made of more than one ragas. It may be any number of ragas. The one that I'll be singing today is called the Navaraga Malika, a Varna comprising of 9 ragas. The ragas included in it are Kedara, Shankarabharana, Kalyani, Begade, Kamboji, Yadukula Kamboji, Bilahari, Mohana, and Shri Raga. So I'll be singing the whole Varna all together. I'll not be singing it part by part. Vachi yunna na pai chala museya mira sami cheluvudaila Shri Venkatesha Kalasi Melasi Kau Galimpada Dani Sariga Sarigama Dapa Magari Nigari Niri Nidani Sarigama Pa दमगरि सदनि सरि गम पद नि पद म पद नि सा निदप मगरि गदम गरि स निदप सा निरि स गरि पमदाप सा निरि स गरि गम गमरि स निरि स रि निदप मम गरि स सा मग गरि रि स नि वलचि वचि नाना पै जल मुसेय मीरा सामिनी चेलूडैना श्री वेंकटेश कलसी मेलसीको गलिंपदनि सरि ग सरि ग म दप मगरि नि गरि नि रि नि द नि सरि ग म प दम गरि स दनि सरि ग म पद नि पद म पद नि सा नि द प म गरि ग द म गरि स नि द प स नि रि स गरि प म द प स नि रि स गरि ग म रि स नि रि स रि नि द प म म गरि स स म ग गरि रि स नि व वचि पद सरोज मूल नेनं नीति पद सरोज मूल नेनं नीति पद मगरि गरि सा प सरि म पद सरोज मूल नेनं नीति प मगरि गरि सा प सरि म पद सरोज मूल नेनं नीति पद प मगरि ग द प मगरि स नि द पद सरि ग प मगरि सरि ग प मगरि ग पद सा रि ग पद सा सरि ग पद स ध सरि ग प मगरि ग पद सरोज मूल नेनं नीति पद सरोज मूल नेनं नीति पद प मगरि ग द प मगरि स नि द पद सरि ग प मगरि सरि ग प मगरि ग पद स रि ग पद स सरि ग पद स द सरि ग प मगरि ग प द सरोज मूल नेनं नीति पद पगरि ग द पगरि ग पगरि स गरि सरि स रि स ध सरि ग पद द पगरि स द पगरि सरि ग पद स रि गरि स द पद स द पगरि सरि रि ग पद सरोज मूल नेनं नीति पद सरोज मूल नेनं नीति पद पगरि ग द पगरि ग पगरि स गरि सरि सरि स सरि ग पद स द पगरि स द पगरि स ग पद सरि गरि स द पद स द पगरि सरि रि ग प द सरोज मूल नेनं नीति पामरि ग गरि स नि स गरि स पामरि गरि सनि सगरि सानि पनि सरि म पमरि गरि सनि सरि म पनि पनि पमरि गरि सरि म पनि सरि नि सरि गरि सनि नि गरि ग सारि नि सरि नि स पनि सरि नि गरि सनि रि सनि पदनि पमरि गरि सनि प रि सनि प म पद सरोज मूल नेनम्मिति पद सरोज मूल नेनम्मिति पमरि गरि सनि सगरि स नि सरि म पमरि गरि नि सरि म सरि म पनि सनि पमरि गरि स रि म पनि सरि रि नि सरि गरि सनि नि गरि ग सारि नि सरि नि स पनि सरि नि गरि सनि रि सनि पदनि पमरि गरि सनि परि सनि पम प द सरोज मूल नेनम्मिति पद सरोज That was the Navaraga Malika all complete. Since both the varnas that I sang now were in a tala called Adi Tala, it's the most common kind of tala that you will find in the Carnatic music. I sang them in Adi Tala. But you should also know that Tana Varnas come in different talas. Though the most popular varnams are in Adi and Atta Tala, there are a number of varnas in other talas as well, like Jampe Tala, Triputa Tala, Matya Tala, Rupaka Tala, etc. All these are different kinds of talas. So, since I sang two varnas in Adi Tala, I'll be singing the last varna of today's episode in Atta Tala. I'll be singing this only in the second speed since it'll be too long. The Atatala is a little longer than Aditala Varnas. So since it's a little too long, I'll be singing it just in the second speed. It is a Varna called Viriboni in the Raga Bhairavi. Sarasudau Dakshina Dwaraka Sami Shri Rajagopala Deva Gagari Sari Sani Dani Sari Maha Dani Papa Dani Sari Dani Sari Gama Pada Pama Dapa Nini Nida Dapa Pama Nidani Padani Mapadani Sari Nida Magari Sari Nisari Diga Mapada Mapa Dani Sani Re Sani Dasa Nida Papa Magari Sari Nida Boni Chirunau chiru mona chiru mona mapagari sani padani sani ni sari gama gama ni dada mama pa mama gari gani ni dada mama gari sani sa gari ga chiru mona dani ni dada ma ni da pa ma gari ga ma pa ga ma pa dani ni da ma ni da pa ma gari ga ma pa da ni sari sani gari ni da pa ma gari sari ni sa gari ga chiru mona chiru mona sari ga ri ni sari sari gari sani dani pa gari sari pa gari sari re da pa gari re ni sari sa ma gari pa ma gari ga ma pa da pa ni da pa pa ma gari ga ma pa ga ma pa ni sa ni gari ma ga pa ma da pa ni da ni pa da ma pa gari ga ma pa da ni sa ni gari ga ni sa ni ri sa ni da pa da ma pa da ni sa sari ri ga ga ma ga gari sa ni ri sa ni da pa da ni sari ma pa pa da ni da gari ni da ri sa ni da ni da ma gari sa gari ga chiru mona chiru mona that was the Attatala Varna Viriboni and the final Varna for today's episode of Amrita Varshini. I hope you all liked it.
That was a very good, Swati. It was a very good presentation. You presented a brief introduction about the Varna, and then you have presented Mohana Varna and the Navaraga Malika Varna also, and of course, the magnum opus in Bhairavi, the Viriboni Varna. So it was very neatly presented. So, we wish to continue this series. So I would like to listen about the kritis in the next episode maybe. So you please plan accordingly, and then share your knowledge with all the participants and attendees over here. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you very much, Swati AM, and I also thank all the attendees for this program. And anyways, this recording will be posted on the YouTube channel of BMSIT.
Sure, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to be singing in Amrita Varshini, and also thank the college for recognizing me and giving me this opportunity, basically. Looking forward to singing in a lot more episodes.
Yes,
sir. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.